Hi everyone, and welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through the step-by-step process of registering with IdentoGO for your criminal background checks, especially those of you that are using New Mexico Board of Nursing for your licensure. So before you start, first of all, you have to request for fingerprint cards from New Mexico Board of Nursing website. I'm going to drop the link on the comment section if you want to get one. So once you click on the link, you have to fill in the form and put in your signature. They're going to mail 2 fingerprint cards to your address free of charge. So you can even do that before you complete your evaluation process. Okay, even if you are yet to register with them, you can request for the fingerprint card. It's free. Just go to their website, use the link I dropped on the comment section, go to their website and request for the fingerprint cards to be mailed to you. So once you get the fingerprint card, you start your registration with IdentoGO. I'm also going to drop the link for New Mexico Board of Nursing criminal background checks with IdentoGO. So let's get into the main video. Okay, so click on the link. This will pop up and choose register for fingerprint card processing service. All right, so this is just the information for you. This is the address you're gonna mail your fingerprint cards to when you're done with fingerprinting. Okay, and then some information here for you as well. They're just trying to let you know that the demographic information you're gonna enter in this registration must tally with the one you're going to enter in your fingerprint cards. Otherwise, the card will be returned to you. Okay, yes. So you input the ORI number. You can get this from their website, but I'm going to put it here. There is each board of nursing, each state board of nursing have their own ORI number. So you have to make sure that the ORI number you are putting is correct. So the ORI number for registered nurses for New Mexico Board of Nursing is this. Okay. Continue. Reason for fingerprinting is nursing licensure. Continue. You're going to see all those things in the fingerprint card. And if you requested a fingerprint card from New Mexico to be mailed to you, they will impute the ORI number for you in the fingerprint card, so you don't need to write them down. And the reason for fingerprinting as well. Okay, so you agree to their terms and conditions. Continue. Okay, is the same thing I said before. Like I said before, that the demographic information you're going to put here must be accurate and it must tally with the one you're going to use for your fingerprinting card so you don't get rejected. Okay, so if you have a preface, you choose your first name. Okay, and all those ones marked with red asterisk is compulsory. So your street address. All right, your apartment, if you are in a basement building, department, anyone you choose. So I'm just going to click go on with apartments. Your flat number, the country. Okay, I'm going to pick England. The city, zip code as your postcode, depending on your country, what you call it, you put there. All right, and then you input your phone number, phone type, if it's a cell phone or home phone, anyone at all. You put, if you've got 2 phone numbers and you like them to have it, you input this one. Write down your email address and confirm your email address. Your preferred contact, if you want them to contact you through email or phone, anyone you choose. The time you want to be contacted, you select. If you've got any contact note instruction for them, you put it down here. And then this is demographic page. You have to put in your date of birth. Like I said before, make sure that whatever you're putting here is correct, and you're going to use the same demographic information for your fingerprint cards in your fingerprint card. Okay, you choose your gender, your height, all those things. You're going to see them in your fingerprint card, so you still have to put it down there. So just note them down so you don't make mistakes. Okay, select your height. If you're 5'5", just select 5, and you have to put your weight in IBs, not kg. So you have to check which one. Your race, you select. Your hair color, like I said, all those things, you're going to see it in your fingerprint card. So make sure that whatever you're selecting here is what you're going to put in your fingerprint card. Okay, so note them down. Your eye color, your place of birth, your country, your citizenship, your social security number. This is for those people that live in United States, so you don't need it. Occupation, nursing. If you would like to provide your employment information, you select yes. When you click on yes, you see where to put in your employment details, where you work, the address. Okay, you select. Otherwise, if you don't want to give them information, you just put no and go ahead. Okay, so they'll ask you to review everything you've entered. So you just have to review them and make sure that they are all correct before you go ahead. Okay, so if you're happy, you go ahead and make payment. So the fee is $59. You can pay with credit card or billing account or e-check, whichever one. So when you are done with the payment, you will receive a confirmation mail from them. You have to print out the confirmation slip or the receipt and attach it to your fingerprint card after you are done with the fingerprinting, and mail it to the address. Okay, so this is all for today. Thank you everyone for watching, and please, if this is your first time watching my video, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you like what I'm doing, and also hit the notification bell so you will know when I drop new videos. Okay, and also if you have any question concerning USRN pathway, you can drop it down in the comment section. And if you also have any other thing to share or any corrections to make at all, drop it down in the comment section too. And if you want me to make any video also on any topic relating to USRN pathway, just drop it down in the comment section. All right, thank you very much for watching. Bye.